Welcome to Oneida Air Systems. My name is Mark Evertz. I'm the production manager here, and I'd like to tell you about our brand new system, the Gorilla Pro with Smart Boost technology. We're really excited about this system, and we think it's a game changer, so I'd like to take you through some of the features and benefits. So come on over. We'll start with the motor. It's a Baldor, made in US motor. Excellent brand of motor, has one of the best reputations in the industry, and we pair that with our Smart Boost technology to make sure you're getting maximum performance from the system regardless of the conditions in your shop. Then there's our filter. It comes with our patented flame guard technology and is made using GE certified HEPA media. What's really important about HEPA media is it filters over 99% of all the dust that comes into the filter. This means that dust is not escaping into the air where you could breathe it and cause health effects. What's also important about HEPA media is that it filters down to 0.3 microns. And to understand how small that is, the diameter of a human hair is 40 microns. So filtering down to 0.3 of 1 micron is really tiny. So even the smallest dust that you can't see that's floating in the air is being filtered out by the filter and not being exhausted into the air that you could breathe, which can cause long-term health effects. It's really important when buying a dust collector that you consider one with a HEPA filter. Next, let me tell you about the construction of our system. The first thing you'll notice is the proportions. These are really important. We want to make sure we're getting maximum dust separation to the drum so as little dust as possible goes in the filter. This will make sure your filter lasts longer. Then there's the materials we use. We use heavy gauge steel. We're using seam welding to make sure the system is rigid and it's going to last many years in your shop. And then there's our stand. It's a brand new design from us at Oneida Air. We're really proud of it. It's powder coated, it has great detailing, and it's going to look so good in your shop. You're going to be proud to have it there. The most important feature of the system is our Smart Boost technology. This technology makes sure that regardless of the port sizes you have open, the system adjusts and is getting maximum performance out of the motor to pull as much dust as possible into your collector and into your drum to make sure it doesn't get in the air. So I'll demonstrate how this works. And if you look right here, I have a 6-inch blast gate and a 4-inch blast gate with about 10 foot of flex hose attached. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate in your shop as if you were opening and closing different blast gates on your different tools, and you can see how the system adjusts to that. And all these systems come with a free remote. And you hear our soft start we have programmed in to make sure there's no additional wear and tear on your motor during the starting process. So I'm going to close the 6-inch blast gate. And you can hear the motor rev up. Make sure it's pulling the most CFM possible out of our 4-inch port. And then the system adjusts to make sure it's pulling the most CFM possible out of both ports. Right now, we're getting a lot of air movement from the 4-inch port. What's so important about the Smart Boost technology is it makes sure that you're pulling the most air possible at your tool, regardless of your port size, and making sure that that dust is ending up in the system, collected in the drum, instead of out in the air where it can be collected in your lungs. So that makes sure your shop is clean and that you're healthy and you can have many years of happy woodworking. For more information on our system, please call one of our sales reps. They have many years of experience and they can make sure that you get the exact solution that you need for your shop, or feel free to visit our website, oneida-air.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.